This is a baby blue margarita. Check this out. This fridge by LG. And this, dude, is the only fridge in the game that gives you crystal clear ice spheres. Okay? I'm gonna just shake with this, all right? I'm shaking with spheres. So guys, we can start with some tequila. 1, 2, 3. Now you're coming behind that tequila with some simple syrup. This one's on the sweeter side. It's got a lot of twist in it, okay? Then you hit it with a little bit of sweet and sour. Now we shake. So guys, I gotta rim this, right? Give us a nice cute rim. Now, margaritas are typically rimmed with salt. Baby blue? Rim with sugar, homeboy. Perfect, look at that, look at that, look at that. And guys, I have some more ice spheres from the fridge. Just a drop in here. And I pour my drink over that. Bang. Oh yeah. Now why is it called baby blue? Because now I come in behind this with my blue curacao. Oh yes sir. Then you put a little garnish on the side. And there you have it, the baby blue margarita. And look at the clear ice cubes in that. Delicious. So guys, get your LG fridge and stay tipsy. Why hello.